Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today I'll be discussing about other OOPS concept, that is polymorphism, and I have discussed about inheritance, abstraction and encapsulation in my previous videos. Please watch it and subscribe it so that I can upload more videos. So what is polymorphism? So the dictionary meaning of polymorphism is many forms. So in Java, we will achieve through method overloading and method overriding. That means one function will behave differently. So what is method overloading? In method overloading, function will have same name but different signature. Return type must be same in method overloading, and type of parameter is different. Type of parameter is different, or either the number of parameter is different. And which function to call is decided at compile time only, so it is called method overloading. And in method overloading we will have multiple function in the same class only, and function will have same name but different parameter. Either the type of parameter is different or the number of parameter is different. So I'll create one class and describe about method overloading. So I'll create one class. Suppose there is a class called shape. In this class only we have two methods. Both methods have same name but different parameter. So suppose the function method name is calculate area. So int calculate area, and we'll put the parameter length and breadth. Now I'll define the function, what the function is doing. Int area is equal to L into B, and I'll add return statement. Sorry, it is L, the same parameter I'm putting here, and we'll add return statement. So this is one function. I'll create another function. So I have created other function. The name should be same, but parameter can be different, either the number of parameter or the type of parameter. So I am putting only one parameter. Suppose this will calculate area of a square. So area of square is L into L. So we are seeing the function is same but parameter is different, and return type is also same, int return type. And here I am creating object of class shape. Shape is equal to new control and space. It will give you the suggestion, and I am calling the method shape dot calculate area by passing first one argument, and same thing by passing the two argument like 5 and 4. So now we will display it in console. Sys out. I'll display it in console and see when which function is calling. So I'll run the class. You are seeing it is calling different function. First is it is matching the parameter. When I'm calling calculate area with one parameter, it will go to this. See, it is highlighting this. So it will go to this, and 5 into 5, so it is returning 25. But when I'm passing two parameter, it is highlighting this, will go to this method and calculate area based on this function. So every time it is behaving differently depending on the number of parameter, and that parameter that is decided at compile time only. So it is also called compile time polymorphism or method overloading. So you got to understand what is method overloading. Function name is same but parameter is different, and return type must be same. and it is in the same class. We can have multiple overloaded function like other function with different parameter. Now I'll describe about method overriding. So what is method overriding? In method overriding, the method have same name as in parent class. So in method overriding, we will have two class. One is parent class and one is child class. Both will have same name and as well as the same parameter. The parameter is also same, means the parameter is same and name is same, but the implementation will be different. There must be a relationship, like it will be a parent child class and the child class will be extending parent, and method to call is decided at runtime. It is decided at runtime because based on the object it will call the method. Based on the difference it will decide which method to call. So it is decided at runtime and it is called runtime polymorphism. So I'll create one class. This was overriding. So I'll create two class, parent child class. So suppose the parent class is movie and we have one method like string get language, and the language is multilingual. Movie can be of any type. So the language I am putting is multilingual, and return str. So this is one function in class movie. Suppose Bollywood class is extending movie class. Bollywood movie is extending movie class. So I'll create the name Bollywood movie. I'll put main method in it and I'll extend the movie class. So this is parent child relationship between movie and Bollywood, and I'll create a same method having the same name and same parameter here. But the implementation is different because Bollywood movie will behave differently. Here the language is only Hindi. And I'll create object for both. First I'll create for Bollywood movie. So I'm creating object for Bollywood movie and I'm calling the method of Bollywood movie. Bollywood movie dot get language. So I'm printing it in the console system dot out dot print ln, and again I am creating the difference of movie. Movie is equal to new movie, and I am calling the same method movie dot get language, and I'll print it in console. So we'll run the program and check what is the output. First it is printing Hindi because the object reference is Bollywood movie, so it is calling this method, but in second the reference is movie, so it is going to this class and checking the output and printing here. So every time based on the difference it is calling the method, so it is called runtime polymorphism. So you got to understand what is overloading and what is overriding. In overloading the method name is same. See, in overloading method name is same but parameter is different and it is in same class and return type is also same. But in overriding the classes are following parent child relationship. There are two classes and there are two function. Function is same but implementation is different. And when I am calling the movie object, it is calling the method present in movie object, but when I am calling the Bollywood movie object, it is calling the method present in Bollywood movie. So it is runtime polymorphism or overriding. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel and continue watching my videos. Thank you. And if you have any question, please put in the comment section. Bye. Have a great day.